According to Paul Chandler and John Sweller, cognitive load theory is related to the format of instruction and how people learn, and how as we're presenting and preparing our slides or our instructions or our screens for our students, we need to keep this in mind. So what is it? To quote them, it sounds more effective. The cognitive load theory suggests that effective instructional material facilitates learning by directing cognitive resources toward activities that are relevant to learning rather than toward preliminaries to learning. Now, the preliminaries to learning that they're talking about are how you have to, they call it assimilate. You have to put two pieces together before you can understand the whole. So this slide here is an example of that. The screen has lots of images on it over here. It's got lots of words here. And so basically what we're expecting is that a student would have to learn that B is a letter in the alphabet. There's 26 letters in the English alphabet. Lots of words begin with B. There's foods that begin with B and they're tasty. So that's a lot of information. So the learner is having to put all of that together first before they can really start to learn the actual learning that's taking place. Now, a better way to do that would be to introduce the letter B as part of the alphabet. And here we've highlighted the letter B here. And then the next slide is a way to not have to assimilate a bunch of words and a bunch of graphics together. But we just have the words across the top here. And then we have bread and bacon and bananas. Or another way to say the same thing would be to just have small words here like a caption in the bottom. In this way, well, I'll go back to that, sit on it for a minute. So the whole point is that the better is to first integrate the information. So by teaching the letter B first and then adding the graphics, and then they can initiate the learning after they have everything integrated. And this might actually be more applicable if you have a math concept, complex math concept. But I chose bread since I had pizza for dinner and I had a non-bread pizza because I can't eat bread. And I was very sad, so I was thinking about bread. And there we have it. We have the letter B.